welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you a party makeup look without foundation, and you can create this look on upcoming events like on Christmas or New Year parties. So today I'm going to skip the foundation, and for the base makeup today I'm going to use a baby cream. So first I'm applying this baby cream with my fingers because it's very liquidy, and I'm blending it out with a beauty blender. And I apply a little extra for good coverage. You can see it blend out really nicely. Looks very flawless. And to conceal today I'm going to use this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Long Way Concealer. And I just like to do 3 lines. And also I'm blending it out this concealer with a beauty blender. And to set concealer use loose powder. And I'm applying with the powder puff. And I'm also applying a little bit on my nose and around my mouth. And for my brows I'm using this Brow Artist Genius Kit. So firstly I'm just filling my brows. And then I shape my brows with the concealer. So now brows is done, and let's move on to the eyes. So firstly I'm going to use this brown shade. So firstly apply brown shade on your both eyelids. Also a little bit under your lower lash lines. After that I'm taking this dark brown shade and just applying on my crease. Also under my lower lash lines. After that line your upper lash lines with the liner. You can use any kind of eyeliner, liquid, shade or pencil liner. And after that I'm taking this silver glitter shade and just applying inner corners of my eyes. After that curl your lashes. And mascara I'm going to use this Too Faced Damn Curl Mascara. First I'm applying on my upper lashes and also a little bit on my lower lashes. So now eyes is done, and let's move on to the lips. And today I'm going to use this NY Baked Gloss Getter Lip Gloss. It gives perfect gloss finish for the shiny effect, and it's lightweight and feels smooth on the lips. And it's non-sticky, and it's available in 7 different shades. It has perfect pigment and gives very beautiful glossy finish. And I have these 2 shades, 05 Peachy Play and 01 Berry Rare. And today I'm using a 01 Peachy Play. And I'm applying directly on my lips. You can also use thin layer of this lip gloss over any matte lipstick. You can see it looks very pretty and gives perfect glossy finish. And it's perfect for everyday use, and it's available in 7 different shades, and it's only at $220. And for you guys I will leave links in the description box below, so check out there. And for face firstly I'm going to use bronzer, and it's from e.l.f. Cosmetics. And I'm applying just a little bit under my cheekbones like this. And for blush I use Revolution Pro Blush Palette. I use medium pink shade, and I'm applying just a little bit on my cheeks like this. And to highlight I'm going to use this Revlon highlighter palette. So firstly I'm applying on my cheekbones, also a little bit on my brow bones and chin. So yeah, this is the final results. You can see this makeup looks very pretty. It's perfect brown makeup look, and it's perfect for parties. So try out this look on upcoming events and parties. And what do you think about this look? Let me know in the comment section. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope this video will help you, and hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.